of high efficiency, vertical milling operation. Renovation of Corloy Rich Mill Series, Plunge Mill RM4Z. Plunge Mill RM4Z is equipped with double-sided four-corner insert. It is very economical choice for better productivity. RM4Z insert has high rake chip breaker for lower cutting load. And four-corner edge guarantees economical use. In addition, ideal cutting edge line for plunge operation is applied. Inner coolant system of RM4Z realizes powerful insert cooling effect and perfected chip evacuation. Plunge Mill RM4Z shows best performance in deep shouldering and slotting for better productivity. Plunge Mill RM4Z series has shell, shank, and modular type to perfectly meet customers' various needs. New era of high efficiency, vertical milling operation. Plunge Mill RM4Z. Higher productivity and superb tool life is guaranteed.